When it comes to day trading, it's very important to keep your patience. In this video today, we're going to see the importance of keeping your patience, but more importantly, how to keep your cool when you trade. This will also show you how I paid the price and how much I lost for not being able to keep my cool. Hi there, my name is Lloyd Bazar, an experience-based stock exchange teacher, and welcome to PSE 101. So this is what happened. Yesterday, while I was observing the market for looking for a good prospect business to buy, I found this Robinson Land Corporation, or RLC. So here, if you know the basics, you see the candlesticks, you should know that the trend is changing. And so for the market close, I bought it at 21.90 for 1,400 stocks. Early today, when the market started, I was observing it almost every minute, from 9:30 till 10:30. This is what happened to RLC during those times. So here, this is at 21.90. The market The market opened, went up to 22, which is a good sign. I was very hyped. But few minutes later, it went down back to 21.90. So it was up and down, up and down, up and down. So around 10:30, I was starting to get impatient. So I have this different account. It's a long-term account. I bought DNL stocks on that account for long-term. I bought it days ago. If you check DNL stocks today, if you check the stock market today, DNL had a breakout. Let me get DNL. So DNL started at 10.70, and around, if you check the time here, it's around 10:30, and DNL had a breakout. Boom! I lost focus on my RLC stocks and got excited of DNL. So I checked out what's happening with DNL. I saw the prices soar, which made me more anxious about my RLC stocks, which were not moving. Emotions started to kick in, and as the prices of DNL was growing, the pressure of selling my RLC stocks short was getting stronger, until a point where I sold my RLC stocks at 21.95. Just a 0.5 gain, but technically a 200 peso loss due to the processing fee and tax. I did that so I could just sell them right away, have the funds to buy more DNL stocks. So when the stocks were sold, DNL prices were already too high for me to buy. And look at what happened to RLC a few moments when I sold my stocks. So when the stocks were sold, look at DNL. Let's look at DNL again. So when I sold my stocks at around 10:30, 10:35 here, price was already at 10.92 here, and at move another minute and it's already at 11:10. It was already too high for me to buy. And look at what happened to RLC just minutes after I sold them. So we're here at, let me see, 11:02. Stocks were still here. Let's move around 5 minutes. Boom, a breakout just after I sold my stocks. Facepalm. Yeah, right. So at this point, price was at 22.10. It was already a breakout, but I was at shock already, so I did not have the guts to buy it anymore. I went to work at around 11:30. Just left the stocks, and let's fast forward to the close of the market and see what happened to RLC. This was just around 22.1, so it's not really a big loss for me. Look at this. Boom, 22.9. The market broke through again. I would have earned 1 peso per stock. I should have had 1,400 earnings today. So that's 1,400 plus the 200 I lost for the processing. That makes 1,600 lost just for being impatient. Some would say that's not too big of a loss, but to me, with just a 30K start, that's already a lot of earnings in a day. So the lesson for today is number one, be patient. Stock exchange is psychology, and it plays with emotions, and those who can't hold their emotions lose. Right? Number two, how to be patient. Do not look at other stocks so you won't be tempted and you can keep your composure. Other stocks will break out earlier than yours, and that always happen in stock exchange. And looking at them will just be frustrating you, and it will break your patience. So the best way to keep your patience is do not look at other stocks and try not to look at your stocks every minute. The wait can be grueling, and this will create a problem. Number three, trust your guts. If you just stuck to basics, most of the time you're right. Okay? But for moments that you are not, as long as you set your stop loss, and you'll be okay. Well, that's it for today. I hope you learned a lot. I'll be giving you my recommendation stocks for long-term purposes. But before that, if you have any comments or reaction, please post it below, and please don't forget to subscribe so you'll see future videos about my Philippine stock exchange experience. Till next time, happy trading and good luck.